Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do bank reconciliation in MYOB. So you go on to your MYOB dashboard, click on to banking, reconcile accounts. Awesome. So in this section you'd see all the bank accounts you have. So for this video we've got this bank account. This is one of my clients account, so I'm going to show you. So the last time that I have done the bank reconciliation was on 30th of June 2022. So this client, we didn't lodge their taxes for a very long time, so she has come to me asking to clean her books, and then we are trying to get her compliance. So we did her tax lodgement recently, and then now we are rolling on to 2023. So before we go ahead, so we will have to reconcile accounts as at 30th of June 2023 and make sure all the stuff that is included in the MYOB is appearing on the bank statement. So that's what reconciliation is. So think it like you have someone looking at the bank transaction and someone looking at all the stuff that's on the MYOB. So your bank is what is MYOB. So MYOB says the banks categorized into each transaction is MYOB. So now you're saying that there may be certain things that MYOB will have extra that the bank transactions will not. In case if you are generating an invoice, it will stay as an accrual. So sales will increase and the debtors will increase. Sometimes debtors will make you payment and you don't know if this payment we received was from the debtors, and it might not be allocated to that particular debtors, so it will be allocated as another extra savings. So another extra sales. So sales again increase. So breaking it down again, I'm telling it again. So when you send an invoice to your customer, the software will automatically consider it as a sale because we have set it up as an accrual basis. So generally that's the way it is set up. So the system will credit the sales and debit the debtors. So there is income in your profit and loss. And then like after a few months, now let's say that the customer has come and make that payment to you and you are unaware because there's millions of transactions happening in your mind. So you think, okay, there's another new sale from the bank feed, so you allocate another sale. You categorized into saying that another income you get. So originally we had one income and again you are allocating another income, so your income is doubled up, so you will pay more tax. So that's why we do the reconciliation at the end of the year, so that all the income expenses are not doubled up and it is what it is. Okay, so how you do that is the statement date. So I'm just gonna go with 2023 30th June 30th June 2023. Okay, so the calculated closing balance is 3,642. So you will check your bank statement as at 30th of June 2023. It has to be 3,642. Let's say that is if that is 27,540 and then the closing balance here is 3,642, you are missing out on something. So there's something missing out. So 23,000 is out of balance. So now you get to go through each transaction and check one by one and tick it on your bank statement saying that this is there, this is there, this is there, and then leave all the stuff that's unticked and then investigate where it has gone wrong, and then you can start deleting it. So this was also selected, the last one, so 3,642. So the more you unselect, you can see the amount changing. You can see the amount changing on calculated closing balance, right? So let's say the actual thing is 27, so you will have to unselect some of the stuff that is doubled up, so it will equal to that, and then you can reconcile. So all of these ticked ones will get erased and then the unticked ones will pop up, and then you can investigate, and if it is a duplicate entry, you can go ahead and then just delete it. So that's how you do the reconciliation. That's very interesting. I have a very skeptical mind, so I love just investigating all transactions one by one. You can just get a coffee in the morning, sit down 1 or 2 hours, get your business stuff, do the reconciliation. If you can do it on a on a timely basis, like on a frequent basis, maybe quarterly or monthly, it'll be great. So if you go to do everything annually, then there's like million transactions, you will get exhausted. So have a habit to do it monthly, so you'll have very limited transactions, you'll have more control over your business. And at any cost, if you want to run a report, you can just go run report profit and loss balance sheet, so you know where your business is exactly. So you don't have to rely on the bank statement saying, oh my god, this is the cash I have, but actually that's not the cash. You'll have so much bills coming ahead, pay runs, payables, and so and so. So if you can have the accounting software set up in the right way, you can make better decisions for your business. So yeah, so I hope it helps you how to do the reconciliation, and I think I've covered most of the stuff about MYOB. So if there is anything that you think that I need to cover, please let me know on the comment section. So I will make a video on that, or maybe I will reply giving you answers for your query. And yeah, so thank you so much for sticking along. So you'll be good to go. So if there is any questions, any transactions you messed up, you may email me in the email address that I put it on the description, admin@thecandy.com.au. I'm more than happy to jump on board one-on-one and help you out, fixing your books, so we make better decisions and do a little bit of tax planning here and there, and then avoid paying unnecessary tax is, it is legal to minimize your tax. I'm not saying don't pay tax. Not paying tax is against the law, but minimizing your tax payable is legally correct. That's morally the right thing to do. Everybody wants to minimize the tax payable. So you can find different ways. If you want, you can come and contact me. I've got several ways of avoiding tax, so which is something good. I can provide it to you. So yeah, so thank you for sticking along, and please give me a like and a thumbs up. I'll appreciate you so much. Thank you.